Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing AIApply. So if you don't know what AIApply is, it is basically an AI-powered tool that helps you apply for jobs faster by generating resumes, cover letters, and even auto-applying job listings. Now as you can see right here from their website, they claim that they are rated about 4.5 out of 5 stars on Trustpilot. And as you can see, AI needs everything you need automatically in seconds, and you're 80% more likely to get hired if you use AIApply. And people, approximately 500,000 freelancers and job seekers are using AIApply. So let's see, head on over to Trustpilot right here to see if this is actually true. And as you can see, they're actually rated 4.4 out of 5 stars, which is pretty close to this one, which is pretty accurate, which means it's true. And they have 624 reviews, and as you can see, a lot of people are recommending AIApply. I can't recommend AIApply enough. From the moment I signed up, everything was smooth, intuitive, incredibly helpful. And as you can see, only 2% is 1 star and below. And apartment, AIApply generates resumes and cover, blah blah blah. And basically, a lot of people are saying that it is legit and they recommend AIApply. So, and yeah, that is it. AIApply is legit and not a scam. So, if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.